There you go. So we have one of the most important things that you do really need to pay attention to. This is number 12, and you have to know the regulations. You have to know the size of your drone, how much it weighs, which category it belongs to. Also, you need to know the flight regulations, where you live or where are you visiting. Now, and this is before you start flying. This is a big one. Make sure that you're flying within the rules that are set by the place that you're at. From country to country is different, from state to state is different, especially, let's say, in the US. There is a set of rules that you have to abide by. In another country, it might be different, it might be a different set of rules. You cannot take advice from anyone else because this is something that actually has happened, more than 3 times now. It's like, I'm planning to come to Greece. What are the rules and regulations? So I mean, you cannot expect me to know. This could be an entire and different on its own, but it's best to always do your own research because this is your own responsibility. So you cannot fly a drone near a helipark. Drone Aware is a nice application that not sponsored by, not affiliated by, but it is a good one to see what are the heliports, where there are no fly zones. So you have to fly below a specific number of feet. You have to, never fly at night. This is some, basic stuff that you should be aware of. But the most important part would be to be 100% aware of the rules and regulations of the place that you're going to fly at. This is number 12, and I'm going to be saying again hello in the next one. Cheers.